This is a video on the 04 Interstate Battery Truck International. Let's see here. 11R22 5 tires, aluminum wheels. Looks like brand new tires on the back here. There's still shots of the compartments. It's air brakes, has an air seat, pretty clean. Let's get in and start it up and drive it and let you hear it run. Here we go. Whoa, the seat is up. There we go. All right, here we go. Let's put her in neutral here. There we go. Runs pretty good. Looks like there's good oil pressure. 280,000 miles it looks like. The air blows cold. I have it on right now. That's a big plus. There's the transmission schedule there. Looks like it's a 6-speed. Pretty clean cab. Alright. We're in gear here. That's good. Runs pretty darn good. Driving on down here. Down the hill. Looks like the only issue I can see is the ABS brake light is on, which I don't think there's an issue with the brakes, but we'll check it out here in just a second. No, seems to stop good. Reverse. Oh yeah, it's a nice track. Alrighty, and that's about the size of it. We can probably get one gear here, maybe. Clutch feels good. So that's the video on the 04 International Interstate Battery Truck. Thanks for watching.